Presiding Officer, the newly installed President Naim Murtuza, Chief Guest PID Sir, all of the dignitaries on the days in the audience, Past District Governors, and my dear Lions, Leos, guests and friends. At the outset, let me congratulate the Lions and Leo BOD team of 2021 for their exceptional leadership and service activities. And my best wishes to the current team too. I'm sure that they will set high benchmark. This linguistic year, the Leo meetings can be conducted by the Leo PhD with their own Leo gong and gavel, which has been procured by our Leo Club advisor, MJ and Dr. Reena. And I request the PID sir to kindly present this gong and gavel to the Leo PhD. I request the Leo Club advisor to get the gong and gavel on the days and be the present. I request the Leo PhD to be present over here. Leo Sena, Leo Abbas. Thank you, sir. We respect the gavel as a symbol of authority, and we will be proud to see Leos conducting their meetings following the meeting management procedure and the parliamentary procedure. Secondly, I appreciate Leo Sagar for designing the Leo membership badge for our Leos. Friends, last year I happened to visit a Leo meet in Pune, and there I saw many Leos were wearing such type of membership badges. So I happened to share this idea with the Leo PhD, and I am very happy that Leo Sagar designed the badge and made it sure that it will be ceremoniously presented during the institution ceremony. Great, that was an awesome start of the Leoistic year. My dear Leos, it is very important to wear this Leo badge because whenever you go in a Lions or Leo meet, where there is general public, they will not recognize you. You wearing this badge will help the people to know that you are a Leo member of our organization. People should know that you are a Leo member. And you should proudly wear this Leo badges because it contains the Leo emblem, your name, your club name, your district name, and your country name too. And it is designed in such a way that even when you attend an international program like international convention, you are recognized with your country name India too. And when these badges were presented, I want to mention here that most of the Leos has worn that badge on their left side. A name badge should always be worn on right side because whenever we greet a person, we shake hand with a person, we always tend to see on the right side of the body. That's the mind psychology. And wherein the person whom you are wishing will glance at your name and will wish you by taking your name. So I request the Leo members who has worn their badges on the left side to please wear badges on the right side. And the Leo pin is always worn on the left side because the Leo emblem and our organization is very close to our heart. Friends, the second thing I want to mention here about the Leo waste. We see Lions and Leos working tirelessly at the vaccination center. I see Leo Sagar, Leo Nikhil, Leo Zainab, Leo Sara working over there with our other Lions. There we see Lions wearing yellow jacket. Similarly, our Leo should also get a Leo vest with the Leo symbol printed on the front and the back side. Because at the vaccination center, when a general public comes, they will not recognize you with your casual dress. But you wearing this Leo vest will help them to know that you are a Leo member and they will ask help from you freely. So, hence I have personally spoken with the vendor at Kolkata, that is KB International, that is officially Lions Club vendor, and I ordered the Leo vest and which will be delivered to us in 2 weeks' time. And the other thing I want to share is that on my LCI, you will get Leo membership certificates. Print them and hand it over to your respective Leo members. This was done in our club last 2 years ago. I am bringing this point out here because I request all the Lions clubs who has a sponsoring Leo club to get the membership certificate printed and hand it over to your respective Leos, because I have seen many instances where a Leo member asks for such membership certificate when he wants to get admission to a college or a job, and when he or she submits the certificate, that girl or boy gets the admission easily. So that's the power of being a Leo member. And lastly, my dear Leos, please check our website www.lionsclub.org. You will get a lot of information related to Leos, which will enhance your knowledge regarding our organization. Friends, let us all together bring our Leo and Lions district to much greater heights by doing service from the heart. Thank you all. Thank you for the opportunity given. Enjoy Leoism.
Thank you.